What's the tail? Hi, Josh. Yeah, put it down.
Down. Down.
It's the cat. Is she your friend? Oh, you love the cat. What's her name? Kissy.
No. No. No.
That's her nose.
Eye.
You see her eyes?
Ear.
It's her ears.
Head.
No, yeah.
Head. Head.
Yeah, that's her head.
Eye. Eye.
Yep, those are her eyes. They're yellow.
Oval.
Are they ovals or are they almond shape?
Hey.
Shape.
Worry. Oval. Eye. Tail.
That's her tail. Joshy, are you okay? What are you doing, Josh?
No. 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 No.
That's the cat's nose.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What is that, your carrot? Josh, you okay? What are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hey. Sweet baby Josh. Oop. There he goes. Oh, there he is. What you doing? Hi, Josh. I love you, Joshua. Oh, this was Mama. This was Mama loves him. Hi, baby. What you doing? Doing on your finger? My baby, sweet baby. How's Brownie eating your carrot?
Yellow.
What?
Yellow.